If you want to build a Lego arcade, you've come to the right place. In this video series, I'm going to show you step by step of how to build a Lego arcade, and so let's get into the video. So the first one I want to start out this series because I think it's so awesome is this racing game. It's right here. It's pretty cool. I feel like I tried to get it to scale as much as possible. We're gonna have our little guy, like Sir or whatever, we'll just call him Sir. So Sir's gonna be a old guy that's gonna sit in here. He can drive it. We put some little details. Sometimes if you don't have the right printed tiles, that's okay. We'll just kind of use what we have. So if you don't have your printed tiles or anything like that, don't worry, just use plain tiles. It's still gonna look good. As long as you get the overall shape, you won't really see the inside details because I don't have a sticker that can go. You can always go to the dollar store or whatever and buy stickers, you know, to put there. But let's start building it. So this is the first part. This is the base of it. You're gonna need like a 6x8 plate right here and a couple other pieces. If you don't have these pieces or you don't have them in that color, it doesn't matter. You just find a different color and just do what works for you, okay? I want you guys to customize this and make it your own so you don't have to say, I got this off a video, you know, because
you don't want to steal my stuff.
This is kind of how I did it. I just kind of made the shape that I thought it should look like. You know, that's totally up to you. But I'm just gonna kind of make these right here like that, and then I'm just gonna snap it in. I'm gonna make little pedals with using this type of thing. Alright, so there's your base. Next we have the chair, which, you know, is pretty simple. I just kind of put that chair right there, so it's kind of off-centered, so it can drive on the left side, which, no,
yeah, it drives on the cars drive on the left side. So.
You're gonna put that piece right there. Now we get into the challenging part of the build, and I'm just gonna kind of take some of this apart so I don't forget how to do it, but basically it's just these, you know, brackets or whatever, and then you'll put the plates on, and you'll take this little thing and put it through here, and this is where the steering wheel can attach and all that. And then also you have kind of like this thing that goes underneath. I just put the game over because I had it, which basically means he lost, but whatever. And then I'm just gonna put this right here. This next part is what I use for the screen. This is an interesting technique I kind of used that is very interesting. It's pretty simple. Just kind of like this. It's this weird looking piece right here, and it kind of moves like this, but not all the way, just enough down to where we can get the angle of the rest of the structure. And you're going to put it on the top right here, and then it should bend down just like this, that perfect angle right there. And next we will put the case on, which is basically whatever you want to do. It just has a plate on the top, and if you put these pieces on, it kind of gives that perfect shape right over the top. And you can just press that down. And there you have it. That is your first part of the arcade that we can work on together, and there we go. So get some bricks and start building, and I'll see you in the next video.